Are you looking to customize employee contracts with Oyster but don't know where to start? In this quick Oyster guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, and why it's a game changer for businesses that want a streamlined, legal, and compliant approach to managing global teams. Stick around until the end for an exclusive bonus and an extended free trial offer that you don't want to miss. With Oyster, customizing employee contracts is incredibly easy, even if you're managing remote teams across different countries. The platform offers flexible solutions that allow you to create legally compliant contracts in just a few clicks. If you've been struggling with endless paperwork, this will save you hours and ensure you're always in line with local regulations. Let's get into it. First, after you sign up and log into your Oyster account, head to the Contracts section. Here, you'll see options to create new contracts for employees or update existing ones. Oyster offers a range of templates, all designed to comply with international labor laws, so you don't have to worry about missing key legal requirements when customizing your employee contracts. You can choose from several customizable contract types depending on your employee's role and location, whether it's a full-time, part-time, or freelance contract. Oyster gives you a base template that you can modify to match your company's specific needs. The best part? The platform allows you to easily add clauses, modify terms, and adjust contract details so everything can be tailored exactly to your specifications. One of the standout features of Oyster is how it handles compliance across various countries. You don't need to be a legal expert to understand the regulations because Oyster automatically includes any country-specific legal requirements, helping ensure that your contracts are compliant with local laws. So you can customize the contracts for each employee based on where they're located while still staying legally compliant. When you're ready to make adjustments, simply click on the fields you want to change, such as compensation, benefits, and other essential contract details. You can add personalized terms, such as company policies or specific expectations for each employee. Once you've made your customizations, you can easily review the contract, ensure all the information is correct, and then send it off for signing. And let's talk about the signing process. Oyster has made it as seamless as possible. Your employees will receive a notification and can sign digitally, which means no more back and forth with paper contracts. It's all done through the platform, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors or lost documents. You can also track the status of each contract. Whether it's waiting for the employee to sign or if it's been finalized, everything is updated in real time. This feature gives you a clear overview of your entire hiring process, keeping everything organized and efficient. Oyster is great for remote teams because it supports multiple languages and currencies. This means that no matter where in the world your employees are, the platform's user-friendly interface will guide them through the contract process smoothly, making it a breeze for global teams. Now, as promised, here's the bonus. You can try Oyster completely free with an exclusive extended trial through the first link in the description below. This gives you the perfect opportunity to dive into the platform, test all its features, and see how easy it is to customize employee contracts for your company. Oyster is designed to make your life easier by handling the complexity of international contracts and HR, and this extended free trial means you can see for yourself how much time and effort it can save you. If you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to handle employee contracts, this is the tool you need. So, if you're ready to take control of your employee contracts and save hours of work, click the link below to claim your exclusive free trial.